In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Google Meet camera failed and not working properly. First, look at your browser window and focus on the address bar. Next to that address, you should see a lock icon or a camera icon. Click that icon to open the site settings for camera access. Once you click the lock or camera icon, you will see options related to permissions. You are looking for a camera setting that is currently set to block or blocked. If it is blocked, change that setting to allow. After you update the camera permission to allow, do not worry if the meeting page does not immediately change. Permissions often apply after the page reloads. You can refresh by using the refresh button in your browser or by reloading the tab. As you do this, keep an eye on what happens in the meeting window. When the page reloads, Google Meet should request or recognize camera access again, and then start showing your video. If you still do not see video right away, give it a few seconds because the camera can take a moment to warm up and establish a connection. If the camera still fails after refresh, the permission change is still the first place to verify because it is the most frequent cause. Even a single blocked permission will prevent the camera from functioning. So confirming that the setting has been changed to allow is the main fix being applied here. That covers everything you need to know.